Hey guys, welcome to another episode from Vega Stocks. As promised, in this video we will talk about how to choose a strike price. This was a question raised by some of you in our option chain analysis video. So I thought rather than replying individually, it is better to post a video. But before we start, a disclaimer, this video is only for educational purposes and we do not provide any recommendation or tips. If you are new to this channel, then please like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. By doing this, you will get notified once a new video is uploaded. Now let's start this video. Our focus of discussion will be related to Bank Nifty, but you can implement same technique over other indices or stock also. Remember, if you are trading in indices like Nifty, Bank Nifty or Fin Nifty, we have both weekly and monthly expiry. But in stock, we have only monthly expiry. So study and analysis of weekly chart is necessary for weekly expiry, and study of monthly chart is important for monthly expiry. We will focus on weekly expiry and, as said earlier, on Bank Nifty. Remember, Bank Nifty is more volatile than Nifty and Fin Nifty. And you can choose any of the indices as per your risk appetite. Now, points to remember: if you are a beginner or an aged person, in fact trader, then you should select the strike price whose volatility or speed of movement is low and doesn't increase your heartbeat. Health is wealth, and hence I hope you remain as healthy as you are with God's grace. Let's God be kind with all of us. If you are able to make 3% profit in a week, in a year you can achieve 186% of appreciation on your capital. So don't think that you are old or young. Even a 1% of profit per day will lead to 300% in a year. So have patience in your approach and definitely you will win. In fact, we will win. So let's analyze weekly chart of Bank Nifty. As you can see the screen, there is a weekly chart and almost 75% of the candle range is between 1000 to 1200 points. You check all the candles. I have already analyzed this section. The range that has come out is from 1000 to 200 points. You can do your research and let me know in the comment box if I am wrong. I am talking about average movement. Yes, you will get to see 600 to 700 points and 2000 to 3000 points movement as well, but average movement is between 1000 to 1200 points. For this video, let's consider 1200 points for ease of calculation. Okay, now on first day of the week, that is Friday, your strike price should be out of the money between spot price to 1200 points max to max, whether you buy a call or put. I prefer to buy between 800 to 1000 points only, and you will be able to finalize your preferred strike price as per your experience. One of my friends preferred to buy between 300 to 700 points and he is comfortable. So if you are also comfortable, you can choose those strike price as well. On Monday, either you choose the theoretical range of 1200 as discussed and select strike price between 600 to 800 points, or you can minus the price movement which has already Bank Nifty given or has covered on Friday. I prefer to use the second option if I am expecting a up rally and market has given a bull rally on Friday. But if on Friday movement was sideways, then I choose strike price as per first option, that is 1200 divided by 2. 600 points away from the spot price. Clear? On Tuesday, simply use the same calculation. 600 divided by 2, that is 300. Hence 300 points above your spot price should be your strike price. Please do not get in love with your strike price. Strike price can be your friend for some time, but you should not fall in love with that. Never say I made good profit from XYZ strike price yesterday, hence I will continue. No. Even if you have made positional trading, make sure that you exit within the first 30 minutes of trade next day. 30 minutes is even too much, within 5 to 10 minutes only. Otherwise, your overnight gain will reduce to almost 25 to 30% even if market is trading in your direction. So on Friday, on Monday and Tuesday, you can use this simple calculation to choose your strike price. But for Wednesday and Thursday, these 2 days are special, so please focus. These 2 days are very important and you should not follow the simple calculation that we have already discussed. On Wednesday, you can divide 300 by 2 and select a strike price with a difference of 150 points away from the spot price. But make sure that this should be applicable only in the first half of the trading session. In the second half, or maybe in the entire day, you should be either at the money or slightly in the money, because time decay will start eating the premium price from Wednesday onwards. Hence, follow this rule. On Thursday, the expiry day, everything changes. You should not trade in the first half of the trading session if you are an option buyer. But if you see a proper price action, then stay slightly in the money. But in the second half, around 12:30 onwards, if market has not given good directional movement in the first half, choose nearest out of money strike price or remain in at the money. I prefer to remain in at the money, but it doesn't make much of difference because premium will be very low, and if market moves in your direction, in your favor, enjoy the profit. There are some terms used in the video like spot price, strike price, which you are not aware of or familiar with, then do find it out from Google. And if you still didn't understand, then let me know in the comment box and I'll definitely help you out. Please note, learning videos will be uploaded over weekend only. You can keep watching daily prediction video for insights and psychology behind price action for that day. Hope I have covered everything. If you have any query or question or suggestion, then do mention in the comment box and I'll definitely get back to you. If you like this video, please appreciate my effort by sharing and subscribing to this channel. Thank you for your support. Keep learning and happy trading.